Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your image background. Maybe you need post some images to your Shopify blog or others. So yeah, there are two methods. The first method is using the app from the Shopify App Store. You can go to your settings on your Shopify dashboard and then go to your apps and sales channel here. And then you can go to Shopify App Store. And then in this page, you can just search image background, search it, and we'll find a lot of them. You can and basically can choose whatever you want. So let's say I will click this one, and then as you can see, they are free to install. So yeah, it's good. And you can also see the tutorials. So you can just install it, and then you can follow the guide. So the second method is you can go to Google and you can search free image background remover like this, and there are a lot of them. I'm usually using this one, remove the bg, or you can also try another one, maybe this Adobe. This is very good actually. And yeah, you can just upload your image background, and then you can upload it on your Shopify blog. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.